Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mike J. Andog, a BSIT Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, first year, section Q. And for today's video, I will show you on how to make a simple calculator using JOptionPane in Java Swing. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated for my latest upload. So now, we will using NetBeans to perform calculator in JOptionPane. we will try to check our code. Okay, so just click this icon here to run our project. Okay, so welcome to Mark J Yandel calculator. So click OK and enter first number. Alright, so for example 5. So we will try to check this operation if they are function. Alright, so first we will try to check plus sign. Okay, so click enter and enter second number. So for example another 5. Right, so click OK and the answer is 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So it means that our operation addition is correct. So let's try another. So enter first number. For example, same number 5 and minus subtraction and same number in second number 5. So the answer is 0. So let's try it. So same number 5. So in multiplication symbol, this one we call it asterisk. Okay, so click OK. Enter second number. So same number 5. So the answer is 25. So correct. Same number 5. We will try division. Same number 5. Right, so the answer is 1. Alright, so 5 divided by 5 is 1. Alright. Same number again. The last operation is modulo. We call that modulo. Right, okay. Same number 5. Alright, so the answer is 0. Alright, so as you can see, our code is functioning. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have learned in our tutorial for today. And thank you so much and God bless. Keep safe, everyone. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated for my latest upload.